In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the network anomaly, please try again later error on Binance. This message can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we'll go through some practical steps to resolve it quickly and efficiently. First and foremost, you want to start by checking your internet connection. This might sound simple, but unstable or weak internet is often at the heart of issues like this. It's always a good idea to switch to a different network if you can, whether it's moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Doing so can often take care of connectivity problems that might be causing the error. If you've checked your network and everything seems fine, the next step is to clear the Binance app cache or simply restart the app. An app cache is essentially a storage area where data is temporarily stored to help the app run smoothly. However, this cached data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, leading to errors. To clear the cache on the Binance app, navigate to your profile, then head over to Settings and select Clear Cache. This process clears temporary data and might just fix the glitch immediately. If you're still experiencing the issue, try restarting the app entirely, as a fresh start might help as well. Another important step you should consider is updating or even reinstalling the Binance app. Ensuring your app is updated is crucial because newer versions often contain bug fixes and performance improvements. Head to your app store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for any available updates for Binance. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. If the issue persists after updating, consider uninstalling the app completely and then reinstalling it. This can resolve any lingering issues by ensuring you're starting completely afresh with your app installation. Now, if you've gone through all these steps and you're still facing the problem, it's time to contact Binance support. The support team is equipped to help you with more persistent issues and may provide insights or solutions specific to your account or situation. You can reach Binance support through their app or website and seek assistance by explaining the error and detailing the steps you've already taken. I hope you found these steps helpful. By following through, you should be well on your way to resolving the network anomaly error on Binance and getting back to your trading activities with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.